Hello everybody. Our lesson today, lateral and total area of cube. First, let's remember together the cube. It's a solid which has 6 faces, each face in the shape of square. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Each two opposite faces are parallel and all faces are equal in area. All edges are equal in length. Volume of cube equal edge length by itself as we study in the first term. Lateral area of cube equal edge length by itself by 4. Total area of cube equal edge length by itself by 6. Example number 1. A cube of edge length 6 cm. Find its lateral area and total area. Lateral area of cube equal edge length by itself by 4. Edge length 6 by 6 by 4 equal 144 centimeter square. Total area of cube equal edge by itself by 6 equal 6 by 6 by 6 equal 216 centimeter square. Example number 2. The sum of edge lengths of a cube is 120 centimeter. Find the lateral area of the cube, the total area of the cube, the volume of the cube. To find the edge length, divide 120 over 12 equal 10 centimeter. Then our edge length is 10 centimeter. Number A, lateral area of cube, edge by itself by 4 equal 10 by 10 by 4 equal 400 centimeter square. Total area of cube, edge by itself by 6 equal 10 by 10 by 6 equal 600 centimeter square. C, the volume of the cube, edge by itself equal 10 by 10 by 10 equal 1000 centimeter cube. Another example, the perimeter of one face of a cube is 28 centimeter. Find the edge length of the cube, the lateral area of the cube, the total area of the cube. The edge length equal perimeter of one face divide 4 because the face has 4 sides and they are equal. We divide by 4. 28 divided 4 equals 7 centimeter. To find the lateral area, edge by itself by 4, 7 by 7 by 4 equal 196 centimeter square. Total area of cube, edge by itself by 6 equal 7 by 7 by 6 equal 294 centimeter square. Another example, the total area of cube is 384 centimeter square. Find area of one face of this cube, its edge length, its lateral area. Area of one face equal total area divide 6 equal 384 divide 6 equal 64 centimeter square. Find the edge length equal square root area of one face. Square root 64 equal 8 centimeters. Its total area, the lateral area equal edge by itself by 4 equal 8 by 8 by 4 equal 256 centimeter square. If the lateral area of cube is 36 centimeter square, find its total area. Area of one face equal lateral area divide 4 equal 36 divide 4 equal 9 centimeter square. Total area of cube equal area of one face by 6. Area of one face 9 by 6 equal 54 centimeters square. A cube of edge length 8 cm. Calculate the ratio between its lateral area and its total area. To find this ratio, we should find the lateral area and the total area. Lateral area equal edge by itself by 4 equal 8 by 8 by 4 equal 256 centimeter square. Total area equal edge by itself by 6 equal 8 by 8 by 6 equals 384 centimeters square. The ratio lateral area over total area equal 256 over 384. If we simplify this ratio equal 2 over 3. Thank you for listening and meet you in the next lesson inshallah.